Hello dear students and all the viewers. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Ghare Boshe Shikhi online page. My dear students, today I am here to take your English class and it's specially for the students of class 4. My dear students of class 4, you all are welcome to my class. Let's introduce myself. I am Rupa Mullik Rupo, Assistant Teacher, Tintigate Government Primary School, and I am from Khagrachuri. My dear students, do you know what day is today? Ajki bar? Yes, you are right. Today is Wednesday. My dear students, how many days in a week? Do you know it? I hope you know. Yes. In a week, there are 7 days. Now, I like to sing a song with you, and this song is about days of the week. Okay? আমরা weekday গুলো নিয়ে এখন একটি গান শুনবো, dear students. চলো আমরা গানটি শুনি. Okay. Every week is 7 days long. Listen that days in this little song. Saturday, Sunday and Monday too. Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday too. It is Friday. That day is our favorite day. Friday is the day when we can play. Dear student, we can play in Friday. On Friday we can play. তাই না বন্ধুরা? আমরা শুক্রবারে খেলাধুলা করি because this is the weekend. সপ্তাহের ছুটির দিন. Okay? So I hope you have enjoyed this song. Now I like to declare our today's lesson. Our today's lesson is Days of the Week, Unit 32. Lesson 1 and 2, and you have to open your book, page number 64, okay? Okay, dear student, open your book, page number 64, Days of the Week. Days of the Week. Okay, my dear little learners, I hope you all have opened your book. Now, I like to show you something. কিছু দেখাচ্ছি তোমাদের. Do you know what is it? Do you know it? Yes, this is a calendar. It's a desk calendar, okay? This is a calendar, and in this calendar there is July 2020, this month, okay? So I hope you all know what is this. Yes. So dear students, in our today's lesson, there is a calendar. Okay, this is a calendar. Now I like to discuss about this calendar. My dear students, look at the calendar. It's our activity A, okay? In this picture, we can see a month. And the month is, yes, January. This is the first month of a year, and you know it. It's January, and the year is 2016. Yes, 2016, January 2016. My dear students, in this picture, we can see the name of the days, weekdays. Okay? The first day is Saturday, then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday, at last Friday. Okay, so Saturday is the first day of your week. Okay, Sunday, the second day of your week. Then Monday is the third day of a week. Then Tuesday is the fourth day of your week. Wednesday is the fifth day of your week. Here Thursday, it's the sixth day of a week, and at last Friday. We can tell it, or it has another name, weekend day. Okay, Friday is the last day of a week, and this is a weekend day. Which day we can play at home, we can stay at home. Okay, আমরা এদিন বাড়িতে থাকি. So my dear student, look at the calendar. আমরা একটা ক্যালেন্ডার থেকে কি করি? We find out the date. আমরা তারিখ বের করি. Suppose here the first day of this month 2016, January 2016, its first day is a Friday, and so it is the first day of January 2016 is Friday. So dear student, can you guess how many weekends in this month, or how many Friday in this month? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there is 5 Friday or 5 weekends in January 2016. Okay, dear students, can you answer me that how many Mondays in this month? Count please. How many Mondays in this month? Okay, you are right. Here is 4 Mondays. You can see 4 Mondays. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there is 4 Mondays. So let's count how many Saturday in this month. Okay, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 Saturday in this month. Okay, let's count how many Thursday in this month. Okay, where is Thursday? Where is Thursday? Yes, it's here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Thursday in this month. Then here is Sunday. Let's count. Dear students, how many Sunday? Let's count it. Here is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Sunday. We can see 4 Sunday in this calendar. Okay. Then আমরা কোনটা গুনে নিই শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা? ইয়েস, আমরা ওয়েডনেসডেটা একটু কাউন্ট করা হয়নি, কিন্তু চলো আমরা ওইটা কাউন্ট করি. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 Wednesday in month of January 2016. Dear student, আমরা কি দেখতে পাচ্ছি? আমরা জানুয়ারি মাসের বুধবার দেখতে পাচ্ছি 5টি. My dear students, so now I like to from this month. আমরা এই মাসের Okay, dear students, now we have count how many Saturday, how many Sunday, how many Monday, how many days in all the day. Okay, কোন প্রতিটি দিনে কতটি করে দিন রয়েছে আমরা সেটি দেখেছি, অর্থাৎ পুরো সপ্তাহে স্যাটারডে কত দিন, সানডে কত দিন, মানডে কত দিন, টিল ফ্রাইডে আমরা কাউন্ট করেছি. Dear students, now look at this calendar. This is the month of January. Here is capital J. January is written and it start with a capital J. আমরা যে কোনো মান্থের নাম লেখার আগে অবশ্যই ক্যাপিটাল লেটার ইউজ করব। যেমন now it is July, এখন জুলাই মাস, so we have to write July, July, and we have to use capital J. In all the months, when we have to write the name of any month, we have to use capital letter. Okay? যদি সেই মাসের নামটি তোমার সেন্টেন্সের মাঝামাঝি জায়গাতেও থাকে, that time you have to use capital letter. Okay? Then look at the name of this weekday. Saturday, the first letter is capital S. Then Sunday, first letter is capital S. Then Monday, first letter capital M. Then Tuesday, first letter capital T. Then Wednesday, first letter capital W. Then Thursday, first letter capital T. And at last Friday, it's also start with a capital letter and it's F, dear students. So we have to use capital letter at the time of write the name of weeks or months. Okay, my dear students, now I like to discuss with another something important for you. তোমাদের জন্য আরেকটু গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কিছু নিয়ে এখন আলোচনা করব। নিশ্চয়ই তোমরা বুঝতে পেরেছো আমাদের ক্যালেন্ডার সম্পর্কে। Okay, dear students. Okay, now I like to discuss something more, that what is the first day of this month? The first day of this month is Friday. What is the last day of this month? The last day of this month is 31st and it's a Sunday. Okay, last দিনটি হচ্ছে রবিবার আর ডেট হচ্ছে 31st. Okay, we have to tell it 31st. So dear students, now look at the numbers. তোমরা একটু নাম্বারগুলো দেখো। First, what is this? Yes, cardinal numbers. Do you guess which numbers is cardinal numbers? Of course, my dear students, I hope you can guess it. This is the cardinal numbers. 1, 2, spelling. Then 3. This is 3. This is the number 4. This is the pronunciation 4. Okay, 5. So these all are cardinal numbers. So another numbers, do you know about another numbers? Can you guess what is another, which number is another numbers? Yes, the another numbers are ordinal numbers. These are cardinal numbers and I have to discuss about ordinal numbers now. Here is 1st, that is first. This is also first. It's the spelling F-I-R-S-T. First. Okay. Then second, S-E-C-O-N-D. Second. Third. T-H-I-R-D. Third. Then fourth. T-H. Fourth. And spelling F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth. Then fifth. F-T-H. Fifth. And spelling is F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. Dear students, I have discussed about cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Do you know why I discuss about these numbers? তোমরা কি বুঝতে পেরেছো কেন আমি এই নাম্বারগুলো নিয়ে আলোচনা করেছি? Dear students, I have discussed about these numbers because আমরা যখন নাম্বার বলবো that time আমরা কিন্তু বলবো যে the 7th day of this month is Monday. The 19th day of this month is Sunday. আমরা এভাবে অর্ডিনাল নাম্বার ব্যবহার করে যে কোনো উইকের যে কোনো ডে গুলো বলে থাকি. So that I have discussed about this ordinal and কার্ডিনাল নাম্বারস। আমরা বিশেষ করে কিন্তু অর্ডিনাল নাম্বার দিয়ে আমরা ডেটের কথাগুলো বলে থাকি। সো নাও I have to discuss about activity B from your textbook. তোমাদের পাঠ্য বইতে activity B দেওয়া আছে। আমি এখন সেই কোশ্চেন এবং অ্যানসার দেওয়া আছে activity B নিয়ে আলোচনা করছি। ওকে, আনসার দি কোশ্চেনস। প্রশ্নগুলোর উত্তর দাও। ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন, dear student, it's from your textbook. Okay, number 1, what day is the 1st of January? Look at this question. Here is first, 1st, first, and its ordinal number. What is the 1st of January? Okay, we have to find it. What is the 1st of January? What is the 1st of January here? Here, the answer is it's Friday. The 1st of January is Friday. Okay, dear students. Then, second question. What day is the 3rd of January? What day is the 3rd of January? It's Sunday. Maybe match with you. Okay. Then, how many Mondays are there in this month? How many Mondays? We have counted. So, do you guess it? Okay, match with me your answer. There are 4 Mondays. Okay, there are 4 Mondays. Dear student, another question. Questions first. Number 4. What is the first Monday of the month? What is the first Monday of the month? Find out the answer. Okay, now match with me. It's 4. The first day, Monday of this month is 4. Okay. Then, how many weekends are there in the month? How many weekends? We have count. Okay, dear students, how many weekends? Okay, match with me your answer. There are 5 weekends. Okay. Okay. So now, dear students, I like to discuss about something new before you. Do you get any date in your textbook? তোমরা কি তোমাদের পাঠ্য বইতে কোনো তারিখ পাবে বা পেয়েছো কখনো? Yes, your textbook have some date at the time of writing letter or another thing. Dear student, I like to show you a date. আমি তোমাদেরকে একটি তারিখ দেখাচ্ছি। Okay. What have I write here? আমি এখানে কি লিখেছি? 26th March 2020. 26th March 2020. Here is a ordinal number 26 th 6th. Then March. March, the first letter of this month is start by capital M. Okay. Then here is a comma, punctuation mark, and at last here is the year 2020. Do you know what is this? What is this special? Why this date is special? This is special because this is our Independence Day, আমাদের স্বাধীনতা দিবস. Dear student, we have to write any date by this way. আমরা এইভাবে একটি তারিখ লিখব। যেমন what date today is? আজকের তারিখ কত? Today is, do you know what is today's date? আজ কত তারিখ? Okay, today is 22nd. We have to say that 22nd. This is month of July. So 22nd July, comma 2020. आज 22nd July 2020. Dear students, এটা হলো আজকের তারিখ. So now I like to give you a question. Write today's date, tomorrow's date and yesterday's date in your exercise book. তোমাদের খাতায় লিখতে হবে activity C from your text. Write today's date, আজকের তারিখ লিখো, আগামীকালের তারিখ লিখো এবং গতকালের তারিখ লিখো. Dear students, I hope you all can write it. আশা করি তোমরা সবাই লিখতে পারবে. Okay, now I like to write it. আমি লিখে দিচ্ছি, দেখো তোমাদের সাথে মিলে কিনা. I write this is today's date. আজ 22nd July 2020. So what will tomorrow's date? আগামীকাল কত তারিখ হবে? Tomorrow হবে কত? 23rd July 2020. Then what date was yesterday? গতকাল কত তারিখ ছিল? So yesterday গতকাল কত তারিখ ছিল dear students? Last day was 21st July 2020. Am I right? Okay, I hope you match with me. You are right also. So dear students, I hope you have understand today's part. Now I like to discuss about one word. Okay, I select a word for you, and this word is weekend. Okay, let's spell it with me. WEEKEND, weekend. WEEK, week. END, end, weekend. Do you know the Bengali meaning? I hope you know. It's সপ্তাহান্তিক কাল, অর্থাৎ সপ্তাহ শেষের দিন. সপ্তাহ শেষের দিন হলো weekend. Okay, so now I like to make a sentence for you with this word. Our school is closed on weekends. Our school is closed on weekends. Okay, so now dear students, I like to give you a home task. Okay, today's home task, please write it. Write how many days are in this month. Dear student, this is month of July. এখন জুলাই মাস. So write how many days in this month, in this July. How many weekends in this month? এই মাসে কতগুলো উইকেন্ডস রয়েছে সেগুলো লিখবে. and what date is today? তুমি যেদিন এই হোম টাস্কটি আমাকে পাঠাবে সেদিন কত তারিখ? Okay dear students, write this answer and send it to my comment box. Okay, so my dear students, what have we learned today? আজ আমরা কি কি শিখলাম? Today we have learned how we have to find the days from a calendar. Okay, how many days are in a calendar, which month, what is the year. Then we have learned about the weekends. We learn about the how we have to write a date by using ordinal number. আমরা ordinal number ব্যবহার করে কিভাবে একটি তারিখ লিখব সেটিও শিখেছি. My dear student, I hope you have understood my today's part, and please send me your home task. I would appear before you with another important parts from your English for Today text. Okay, thanks for participate with me. Allah Hafiz.